Hello guys. Hello. Let's review what happened today. Today I couldn't trade because I was in the woods and I just couldn't I wasn't with my phone or something, or at my computer. I wasn't at home, so let's see. uh First we can see that today we have 8 a.m. GBP news, and then 3 a.m. 8:30 unemployment claims. Basically what I would do today is probably trade um, after 8:30 GBPJPY and EU. That would be the safest way to trade today. But let's see what we had today and what we missed. I know that we missed. I was watching my trade in Asia. I mean in London session. I backtested the model on London session on USDJPY and gold. Over the last 8.5 months, I got around 50 trades on both of those and had around a 50% win rate, with a minimum of 2%, risking 1% or 2R, and then the maximum was like 4 or 5% basically. The target is always Asia high. I mean Asia high, Asia high or low, depending on the market. So let's review that first. So we have gold here. We have been bullish, so I'm expecting price to be bullish, and we are in a 4-hour fair value gap. So once price swept Asia lows right here, the entry for longs would have been on this candle right here, boom, and stop would be just below the fair value gap, and target would be here, ending in a loss. Okay, that's fine. The strategy appears like once or twice a week and has a 50% win rate, so you're expected to lose these kind of trades. Now for USDJPY, we had a similar thing, so we are also bullish. We are bullish. So we have been in a downtrend, and just recently we broke structure on the daily, so now I'm bullish, and we reached back into the daily order block here, which is main reason why I was bullish here. As you can see, price goes and sweeps the Asia low, and then creates a break structure in the 5-minute. That will be your entry point. Stop has to be below the low for 14 pips in this case, and the target is Asia highs. But if your if their R is below 2R, then we set the take profit to 2R, and after price takes out Asia highs or reaches into the wick of the Asia high, we put the stop loss to break even. So this trade will be plus 2%, meaning that we would end the day in 1% profit for today. That's in terms of London. Let's see what we have in terms of EU and GJ. So EU, let me mark out my trading time. Let's see. So on EU, we are still bullish in overall, but the 4-hour trend has been bearish. And as we can see, we had these obvious targets right here. Let's replay and just see if there was any setups. So we have a lot of liquidity to the downside, and we have this daily fair value that we didn't reach, so we can target those probably. Okay, we have, okay, wait a second. I do not like this replay because it lets you know the whole candle after you, as you can see. So what's the point in even doing that? We have a 1-hour fair value gap here, and now the only way to take a short from here, so we have a trend to the downside, we have a reason to go down because we have key levels below. The only reason if we can take a trade is if we have a 15-minute sweep, which we do right here. 15-minute sweep. Looks like it's gonna be a setup that we had like yesterday, I think. Yeah, yesterday we had a very similar setup to this if it gives a setup. Okay, so we sweep liquidity to the upside, we break structure here, and now we expect a retrace. In this case, we have a 5-minute fair value gap. We have two of those, and we are expecting a reaction from either one of them. So we wait for price to retrace back into them, and once it gives an inversion fair value gap from those levels, we enter immediately. In this case, it gives it right here on this candle. We enter immediately. Stop can be about the 5-minute gap, and the target can be this for 2R or this for 2.6R. These two liquidities. The first one was also a 4R sell side level. Maybe it's even a daily level. Yeah, it's a daily level. So this is a clear target, and this is a very good trade in my opinion. Honestly, I'm sad that I couldn't trade today because as yesterday and today we had great setups. Yesterday I catched one on GU, but it was a break even, which was also a mistake. I was supposed to trade EU because EU is my main pair. But yeah, let's see if GJ has something. 10, 10, 750. So on GJ, we have been bullish, but we swept out this liquidity level. So now we can, I'm still bullish, by the way, until we reach this. But after taking out the key liquidity level, we have to retrace somewhere. In this case, as you can see, prior to this day, we already retraced, we took out the liquidity level, and we have this order block right here. So price can make a reaction off of that. I'm just gonna mark it out like this. And let's say FAR plus OB. Like this, and let's see the 1 hour. Okay. We have a sell side right here and a sell side right here. Now let's look at the 5-minute. Yeah. So we sweep the liquidity prior to the my session, and then what happens is a break structure in the 5-minute right here, and now we expect a retracement back into that. We have an equilibrium point right here, and we have these fair value gaps and the order block right here. So I cannot enter a trade from here until here actually. So let's see how this can work. We have a 5-minute fair value gap here. Price reaches it right on the level, and then what it does is I think it inverses. But you have to be careful. This is news. Okay, so this is news. So no entry here. We have to wait after 8:30, as I said. So 8:30 comes news. I like to take my trades after 9 in terms of news. So let's see if we get a setup after 9. So 9 comes around, and as you can see, by 9 we retrace into the order block. So at this point we can enter off of an inversion if we have one. Let's see. So we enter here, as you can see, inversion. Long would be there. Stop would be probably ideally below the order block, or you can put it below this low. I'm probably putting it right here at the 1 hour sell side that we took out, and the target can be these highs, or let's see where our London highs, those usually get reached right here. Boom, for our trade right here, easy. Wow, a beautiful price action today, unreal how beautiful. That will be like 4%, and then on EU we had what, 2.6, or ultimately 2R. So let's say it was 2R, so that's 5%, and then we had 1% from the one session, that's 6%. What, wait, that's actually 7%. Wow. good, man. Yeah, that's about it. That's about it for today. It was a really great day. I'm really like sad that I couldn't trade today, but I just wasn't at home and it wasn't in my control. So I guess we'll have these. I mean, I don't guess. I know that we'll have these setups in the future. So yeah, thank you for watching.